How to accept Xbox invites on PC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this tutorial. So first and foremost, go ahead and sign in into your Xbox. You need to make sure that you have enabled the invite pop-ups, which is optional. While not a direct notification, the Xbox game bar overlay can offer pop-up information. To do so, open up your settings application, head to your gaming and select on Xbox game bar. Ensure show notification for friends invitation is enabled. Then navigate to the social option. Click on the social widget within the game bar or the two-person icon that will be present in your game bar. This section displays your friends list and online activity. You can invite and join your friend via this social section. You might see a party icon next to their name. Right-click on the name and choose Join Party or Join Game depending on the invite type. By this way, you'll be able to accept and send invites on your Xbox and your PC. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.